Hi, I'm Matt Pliskin with Focusrite Pro. In this video, we will be taking a look at setting static IP addresses on our Dante-enabled products. This is done from the Dante controller application on either a Mac or Windows computer connected to your Dante network, or connected directly to the device on which we are configuring the IP address. Typically, automatic addressing, also known as DHCP, is used in Dante networks, and it is rarely beneficial to manually set up static IP addresses in most cases. That being said, there are situations where you might want to manually configure the IP addressing of your Dante network. Adjusting these settings is fairly straightforward once you know where to find them. We will be going into the Dante controller application and then either double-clicking on our device's name or pressing Command D on the keyboard to bring up the device view window. From there, we will go to the Network Config tab. Here, we can change the option from automatic IP addressing to manual and enter in our IP settings. Once everything is set, we will hit apply and then be prompted with a message asking us to confirm and letting us know that the device will need to be rebooted for the settings to take effect. We can now either press the reboot button at the bottom of this window or manually power cycle the device. Now the IP address of the computer will also need to be manually adjusted to be in the same subnet as the device we just configured so that they can communicate properly. And that's all it takes to set up manual static IP addresses on Dante devices. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.